Again, another box with only just a name, no repair ticket number. You're not the only person that's Joe Smith or you know, Robert Fowler. There's so many people with the same exact name in the world. There's 7.5 billion people and counting. You can't just send us something with just a name. That doesn't work. Put a repair ticket number, we use number, a number system never lies, and we make sure that those numbers don't ever crisscross. Let's see what's inside. Okay, fine. The number was on the system itself. This is a Surface Pro 5. Let's see what's wrong with it. So yeah, this one doesn't charge. There's no light that comes on, and it makes a funky noise when you're inserting this. It's magnetic, and it's like pulling something that's loose inside, so we have to open this one up. This is definitely not the easiest screen to remove, but we have removed it. And next, we have to take a look into the charger port, but there will be a part 2 for this one. So this is part 2 of the Surface Pro 5 that doesn't power on. We noticed that there's a short on the board on the main 12-volt line, so we did a test, and we think we found the chip. We're gonna replace it, and let's see what happens. So we replaced this damn diode right here. That's like a smaller than a hair. This is under the microscope. This is as big as the HDMI pins, that entire diode, and we replaced a bridge, and where's the capacitor that we have replaced? Where is our capacitor? Not that, right there. Let's test. The truth. All right, we got charge. Perfect.